So today I'm going to show you 2 ways to make a slip knot. The first way by laying it on the table and doing it that way. So we're going to create kind of an upside down U with your tail end on the right and your working yarn on the left. And now we're going to twist this U. So take it and flip it. Like that. So it goes up and around. And you want your tail end to be on the underside and this to be over top of it. And now you're going to take this loop and move it on top of these 2 strands. So take it and fold it over and create kind of a pretzel. So do you see the part of it that's connected to the tail? This part right here? So you want to pinch these 2 ends down to the table and then grab that yarn that we were just talking about. So we want to grab this yarn right here. See how we have that? And you're going to push up. And you just created a slip knot. Now this is a super loose slip knot. So if you want to tighten it up, you just stick your finger in it, grab both ends of the tail and pull them apart. And you just tightened it up. And if you want to loosen it again, you just pull the loop and it will pull the slip knot open. So you tighten it by pulling on the tail end. So pull the tail end to close it. And you pull on the loop to loosen it and shorten the tail end. So there you have it. That is how you make a very simple and easy slip knot. Now let's say you want to make a slip knot by holding it in your hands instead of on the table. So to do that, we're going to have the tail end and the working yarn create an upside down U. And I've got that upside down U in my right hand. So I'm just going to hold down on the working yarn with the last few fingers of my left hand and then grab the tail end with my thumb and index finger. So I'm going to put my thumb in the upside down U and now I'm going to add my index finger into it so that I can twist it. And now I can grab the yarn with my thumb and index finger. So we're going to grab this section of the tail yarn. So go ahead and move your thumb and index finger over and grab it and then pull it to create a loop. So there you have it. That is another way to make a slip knot, which is a lot faster. So I'll show that to you in really fast time. So pinch that, pinch the other end, twist and pull. And if you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe for more.